I'll walk you through how you can arrange your home screen in a personalized way. Create apps folder. To create a folder, first tap and hold one app, then gather all the apps you want in that same folder by dragging them one by one near each other. Finally, drag the last app on top of the group to form the folder. Once the folder is created, you can rename it to suit your category. Duplicate apps icon. Now I'll show you how to duplicate app icons like this Photos app example. Just open your app library, find the app and simply drag it onto your home screen. You can repeat this as many times as you want, placing multiple shortcuts in your layout. Add widgets and customization. To add the widgets, tap and hold on your home screen to enter edit mode. Then press the plus button in the top left. First, I'll add the analog clock widgets from MD Clock, placing it with a clear background. Now I adjust the icons around it to create the layout I want by moving that icons and folders so you can do your own design. Once that's set, finally I'll add the slope icon widgets using Quike. With that, everything is in place and this is completes the final layout. If you like this content, just subscribe for more.